Nanubabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services sa Where in Pampanga community natin. For today, it's second time around. The Hungry Hubb sent us these amazing dishes. So the first time na na-feature namin si Hungry Hubb, they sent us their shawarma, which we really love. So may additional shawarma tayo dyan. Meron din silang pinadalang shawarma rice, which is this one. But the point of the discussion ngayon sa vlog na to, with regards to their barbecue meal. So meron tayong tatlong barbecue set dito sa table natin. So first off, meron tayong whole chicken leg quarter, which is this one. And then meron siyang spicy barbecue sauce. The next one is pork liempo. Again, meron siyang barbecue sauce. Then the other one is, correct me if I'm wrong, Hungry Hubb. This is another pork liempo. However, ang sausawan niya, guys, is toyo mansi, parang ganyan. The 3 food packages comes with garlic rice. Actually, gusto ko yung tagline nila. Ang sabi ni Miss Love, sauce ang nagdadala. So since we were able to, taste their shawarma, and guys, it's a must try. It's a must try. You gotta try their shawarma. Napakamura lang po. If my memory recalls right, it's starting at 50 pesos. And then yung mga shawarma salad nila na nakabox, I think it starts at 70 pesos. Very affordable, and yet super nag-enjoy kami nung first time na na-vlog namin sila. Yeah, so let's get into the meat of the details. Okay, so let's, get a slice of this. You know what? Sa totoo lang, if off camera tayo, yeah, I'm gonna, use my hands, get a grip of this chicken barbecue. Walang sinabi sa akin to kapag nagkakamay ako. Here's the portion. Lagyan natin ng, oh wow, sobrang daming sili. I can also see, bits of garlic, onion. Sobrang sarap nito, guys. Ang daming sili. Wow! In fairness, talagang masarap nga yung nila. Talagang masarap nga yung sauce nila. And for that, I'm gonna get another slice. So let's get another dip. A total bath sa barbecue sauce natin. Alright. Siyempre hindi mawawala ang rice. Oh wow. Oh man, I gotta move on. I have to move on. So meron pa tayong dalawang titikman dito. So this is their pork liempo. And the same do sa ginawa natin dito sa chicken. We're gonna, take this liempo a barbecue sauce bath. This is a huge cut for a single bite, pero we're gonna, kakayanin natin to. Wow. Commendation, guys. I'm not joking. Masarap nga talaga yung barbecue sauce nila. Let's move on. Try naman natin tong last dish sa barbecue series nila. So, I'm gonna get this. Oh, there you go, guys. So, I just, took this piece of meat, a good soy sauce bath. Oh, wow. So yung last dish natin, guys, is actually a fried liempo, and then tinerno nila ng spicy toyo. Oh man. So another line of dish you gotta try from Hungry Hubb. I don't know how they actually call this, but again, these are packed rice meals. No, meron tayong fried liempo, meron tayong barbecue liempo, meron din tayong barbecue quarter leg chicken. These are barbecue flavored. And then I think last to taste, guys, I'm gonna spare this tatlong beef shawarma for my wife, because last time we promote Hungry Hubb, super nang nagustuhan to. Lalo na yung mga sauce nila. Sobrang sarap ng mga sauce nila. What I'm gonna taste, guys, is yung shawarma rice. as anticipated. So, yung bottom part na is rice. Hence, shawarma rice. Oh. Oh man. As I always say guys, more than you watch me eat the food that they bring dito sa bahay namin, I would like you to guys to experience this as well. Make sure to call Hungry Hubb. Check out their fan page. We're gonna be flashing here. Yeah, let's support local. Let's support this businesses who wants to, start and survive ngayong COVID-19 pandemic. And kayo naman po na nanonood, stay safe. Yeah, we hope to see you on our next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.